Wow, wow, and more wow. G'day, folks. My name is iSpike Biker Man, and I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Folks, I am so excited. We have just completed live stream number 63, and it went off. It was absolutely huge, and thank everybody who participated in that show. Really, really cool. But that's not what I'm here to tell you about, folks. I'm here to tell you about Kevin, the basic filmmaker, and his really super cool course called the New YouTube Academy. I've been on this YouTube Academy. I've done the course, and you can sit the course for as long as you like. Now I can't go on about this enough, because the fortune it has brought me, and pretty instant, that I'm reaping the benefits of completing this particular course. Now, guys, for the next 2 weeks only, it's until June the 15th, Kevin has got a super discount, a saving of $600. Normally this course is $697, and he's currently got it going for $97, folks. This is the COVID-19 special, and I got the email because I'm a member of the university. And I asked him, I said, do you mind if I give this a bit of a plug, mate? He said, go for it, man. I can't speak highly enough. I've got a couple of friends who have signed up and doing the course. They're extremely happy. I'm not wealthy enough to say to you, not yet anyway, to say to you, I can personally give you your money back guarantee, but I can verbally say that I'm very happy to guarantee verbally that you will be happy. If you sign up, Kevin is a no BS guy. I'll include his little promotion videos coming up. Have a look at this. This is Kevin's university, the basic university. And this is what you'll get when you go there. If you check out the actual university itself, you'll see that Kevin's got a lot of different free courses. The basics of live streaming here. We've got a money course that's $49. This is the course I'm speaking of, the New YouTube Academy. It's normally $697, as you can see here, right? And there are other courses there. It's free assets and files you can find. Production, sound, fundamentals, filming, the mindset of a video. Very interesting, that one there. So he's got several courses here, and then we've got a course that's only available for 5 people throughout the whole year. I wish I had the money. I don't quite have that much, but that's Kevin can command these prices. He's a no BS guy, right? So don't expect any frills, but he's very thorough. He's like the dean of the dean of a university. Think of it this way: if you were a passenger on a ship, you'd want your captain to be bloody good at what he does. He might not necessarily be the most friendliest, but you'd want him to, be very good at what he does. That's who Kevin is, guys. There's a lot of these different courses out there. I don't have to say this. Like I said, I'm getting into the benefits now. If you're interested, the link is in the description below. There's not going to be much more about this video, just other than me saying to you, give it a go, guys. If you can spare $97, the next 15th, the next 15 days, I should say, next 2 weeks, you've got your chance to save yourself $600. Have a look at this promo.
Hi there, I'm Kevin, the basic filmmaker, aka not a salesperson. I like simple, so here's the deal. You want to make 4, 5, and even 6 figures on your YouTube channel? This is your course. Have absolutely no sense of humor? Not your course. Want to know if I'm legit? Google basic filmmaker, read my boring bio on the New YouTube Academy page. Rather listen to your bros, your mom, or another YouTuber? Cool. Bail now. Costs too much? You'll make 10 to 100 times that. Still think it costs too much? Not your course. Bail now. Willing to work at it? This is your course. Want to know what's BS and what works? This is your course. Cool. That's my pitch. Read the New YouTube Academy page, decide if it's right for you, and sign up now. I'm Kevin, the basic filmmaker, aka not a salesperson, and thanks for your time.
I'll catch you in the next one. Alrighty. Thanks a lot. See you later. Who and Ree.